Welcome, everyone. Today we'll focus on the complement system, a critical component of innate immunity. This system consists of more than 30 circulating and membrane-bound proteins that work in a coordinated cascade to eliminate pathogens and amplify the immune response. The complement system can be activated via three main pathways: classical, lectin, and alternative. The classical pathway is triggered by antibodies bound to antigens, the lectin pathway by mannose-binding lectin attaching to microbial carbohydrates, and the alternative pathway by spontaneous hydrolysis of C3 or direct contact with pathogen surfaces. All three pathways converge at the cleavage of complement protein C3 into C3a and C3b. C3b binds to microbial surfaces, promoting opsonization, which enhances phagocytosis by cells like macrophages and neutrophils. C3a acts as an anaphylatoxin, promoting inflammation by recruiting immune cells and increasing vascular permeability. The cascade continues with the cleavage of C5 into C5a and C5b. C5a is a potent chemoattractant and inflammatory mediator. C5b initiates the assembly of the membrane attack complex, or MAC, composed of C5b, C6, C7, C8, and multiple units of C9. This complex inserts into the pathogen membrane, forming pores that lead to lysis and death of the target cell. Complement activity is tightly regulated by host proteins such as factor H, factor 1, and CD59 to prevent damage to self-tissues. Deficiencies or dysregulation of complement components can lead to recurrent infections or contribute to autoimmune disease. In summary, the complement system enhances pathogen clearance through opsonization, inflammation, and direct cell lysis, acting as a bridge between innate and adaptive immunity. Understanding this cascade is vital for recognizing how immune defense is coordinated and how its dysfunction can lead to disease. Quiz time. Let's see what you remember. Question 1. Which protein is cleaved into C3a and C3b during complement activation? A. C1. B. C3. C. C5. Question 2. What is the main function of the membrane attack complex? A. Opsonization. B. Cell lysis. C. Antibody production. Question 3. Which pathway is triggered by antibodies bound to antigens? A. Classical. B. Lectin. C. Alternative. Pause the video and comment your answers below. Thanks for watching and join our channel if you love learning.